Hi guys, it's Mrs. Jones. I'm here to show you what the assignment looks like for Monday, fractions on a number line. So we've been talking about fractions a lot and we know that they are equal parts of a whole. So on today's assignment, you'll see that there are equal sections on this number line and they will be fractions between 0 and 1. So they'll all be less than 1. So here you can see that 1/5 and 4/5 are filled in and you're missing these two fractions. So the directions say fill in the missing numbers on the number line below. And down here it tells me if I double click on each box, I can type the numbers. So I know my denominator is 5 because there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal parts. And so this is split up into 5 equal parts between 0 and 1. So if this is 1/5, this must be 2/5, and here I double clicked and the text box pops up. Here's the 5 as my denominator. Here I have 3/5, and then 4/5, and 1 whole would be equal to 5/5 in this case, but I don't need to fill that in. And then to get outside of that blue box, I can just click off to the side, and it should stay in there. If ever you delete a text box, let's say I accidentally deleted this one, and I can't go back for some reason, remember that undo button is your best friend. You can always make a new text box by coming up here and clicking on the box with a T in it, and then clicking and dragging to make a box, and I could put a 5 in there. And if I wanted to change the font, I could just make it bigger, or I can just leave it that way. So if you ever accidentally delete a text box, that's how you would do that. So on slides 2 through 24, you'll be doing that. And then on 25 and 26, you have 2 slides that look like this, and they're just with word problems. So you'll see that all of these fractions have a denominator of 8. And so you just need to read the problem and then click and drag, click and drag. Ooh, that's not what I want to do. I'm going to go back and undo. And just click and drag the dot to wherever I need it to be on the number line. Notice that I can't move it unless I have all 4 of those little arrows pop up. If one of the side arrows pops up, that's when my dot changes shape. So I want to make sure all 4 are there, and then I can put it where I need. Cool. Have fun, guys.